countable versus uncountable nouns. तो अगर मैं कहूँ I don't have much friends, कुछ गलत लगा? Yes, I don't have many friends is the right version. और अगर मैं कहूँ I need many water, again it's wrong. It should be I need much water. तो much versus many, a few versus a little, ये छोटे छोटे वर्ड्स हैं जो कि गेम चेंजर्स बन जाते हैं। और आज के इस एपिसोड में I'll decode countable versus uncountable nouns so clearly that you'll never make these mistakes again. So let's dive into. पहले एक क्विक recap लेते हैं। countable nouns वो होते हैं जिन्हें आप काउंट कर सकते हो। 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples और s लगा के प्लूरल फॉर्म भी बना सकते हो। एग्जाम्पल books, friends, cars, chairs, ideas। और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स कौन से होते हैं जिन्हें आप काउंट नहीं कर सकते, जो कि बल्क में होते हैं, फ्लो में होते हैं। एग्जाम्पल वाटर, मिल्क, राइस, शुगर, इंफॉर्मेशन। तो आप नहीं बोलते हो 2 waters, you say 2 glasses of water। आप नहीं बोलते 3 rices, you say 3 bowls of rice। तो अब रियल कंफ्यूजन कहाँ आता है? जब आपको क्वांटिटी डिस्क्राइब करनी होती है। तो हाउ मच, how many, that's where much, many, few, little come into picture। और यहीं पे 90% इंडियंस मेस अप करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले बात करते हैं much versus many की। Many is used with countable nouns, much is used with uncountable nouns। तो सिंपल फॉर्मूला क्या है? many जिन्हें काउंट कर सकते हो, much जिन्हें काउंट नहीं कर सकते। एग्जाम्पल देखो, I don't have much friends, I don't have many friends। This is correct because friends are countable. So there isn't many milk left. There isn't much milk left क्योंकि milk uncountable है। She has much books. She has many books क्योंकि books countable है। अब real life situation समझो, आप रेस्टोरेंट में हो, वेटर आपसे पूछता है how many rotis do you want? तो रोटीज काउंट कर सकते हो 1, 2, 3। बट वेटर पूछता है how much dal do you want? तो दाल काउंट नहीं कर सकते because it's a quantity. A few versus a little। अब आता है next level confusion. A few is used with countable nouns and a little is used with uncountable nouns. तो दोनों का ही मीनिंग है थोड़ा, बट यूसेज अलग है। फॉर्मूला क्या है? A few is equal to countable, यानी कि कुछ थोड़े। A little uncountable, थोड़ा। एग्जाम्पल देखो carefully. She ate a few chocolates. Chocolates countable है। She drank a little milk. Milk uncountable है। I need a few minutes. Minutes countable है 1, 2, 3। I need a little help. Help uncountable है। The real confusion वाली situation क्या है? Can you give me a little apples? No. Can you give me a few apples? क्योंकि apples countable है। I have a few patience. I have a little patience. Patience uncountable है। अब daily life example देखो। Imagine करो आप grocery shopping कर रहे हो and you say I need a few bananas, count कर सकते हो। I need a little sugar, count नहीं कर सकते। I bought a few eggs, that's correct। I bought a little oil, that's 100% correct। तो प्रो टिप क्या है? few और many यूज करो काउंटेबल शो करने के लिए। साथ में s भी होता है यूजुअली, और little और much यूज करो अनकाउंटेबल शो करने के लिए सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स। समझ आ रहा है ना? Now next is common Indian mistakes, let's quickly cover them। ये वो वर्ड्स हैं जो इंडियंस ऑलवेज प्लूरल बना देते हैं। लेट्स सी, बट ये अनकाउंटेबल हैं, याद रखना। सबसे पहला इंफॉर्मेशंस डज नॉट एग्जिस्ट। इंफॉर्मेशन हमेशा सिंगल यूज होता है। आई नीड सम इंफॉर्मेशंस, नो, आई नीड सम इंफॉर्मेशन। फर्नीचर्स, furniture, we bought new furnitures, we bought new furniture। Advices, again wrong, advice is the right version। He gave me many advices, no, he gave me a lot of advice, or you can say he gave me a few pieces of advice। Equipments, no, equipment, the gym has good equipments, the gym has good equipment। Next is luggages, no, does not exist। Luggage, I have 3 luggages, no, I have 3 bags, or I have a lot of luggage। Homeworks, homework, I have many homeworks to do, no, I have much homework to do, or I have a lot of homework to do। Breads, bread, but you can say loaves of bread or slices of bread। I bought 2 breads, no, I bought 2 loaves of bread। Hairs, hair, collective, but a hair यूज होता है सिंगल स्ट्रैंड बताने के लिए। She has beautiful hairs, no, she has beautiful hair। Monies, money, I don't have many monies, I don't have much money. Knowledges. Knowledge. He has many knowledges? No. He has a lot of knowledge. ये सब uncountable हैं. तो कभी भी plural मत बनाओ. Memory trick. Many or few. Think counting 1, 2, 3. Much or little. Think measurement. Glass, bowl or spoon. बस इतना याद रखो. All right. Now it's time for a quick test. Fill in the blanks. I don't have dash time, much or many. Jaldi batao. Which is correct? I need a few informations or I need a little information. Correct the mistake. She has many furnitures in her house and put the correct answer in the comment box. So friends, आज हमने क्या सीखा? Many shows countable nouns, friends, books, apples. Much use करोगे uncountable nouns के लिए. Water, time, money. A few use करोगे countable के लिए. थोड़े friends, a little uncountable, थोड़ा milk. Now next episode में हम explore करेंगे common versus proper nouns plus capitalization. Till then, practice करो. और अगर ये video helpful लगा तो like करो, share करो, subscribe करो. So this is English Fairy signing off. Keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.